Welcome back to my channel. Excuse the lighting if it's off a little bit. This is usually not the time that I film, but I just got my Beautylish lucky bag, so I thought I'd sit down and unbox with you guys. For those of you who don't know what the lucky bag is, it's basically like a Japanese tradition where a lot of merchants used to come together, put stuff in a bag, and you don't know what it is, and you purchase it at a discounted price. And it's like a mystery grab bag. And Beautylish took that idea and made it their own and created the lucky bag. I've seen the lucky bag unboxings for 3 years now, but I've never got one, and this is the first year that I got to snag one, so I was super excited. For those of you who don't know what Beautylish is, it's a website which sells luxury and indie brands, which I love. I order my Period Spirit on there. There's Anastasia, there's Tom Ford, Natasha Denona, Charlotte Tilbury. So I was excited to get my hands on a Beautylish lucky bag this year. So the day after Christmas, Beautylish hosts a sale, which is invite only, so you have to sign up for it. And basically this year they had 4 different types of bags. They had a $75 bag, which guarantees you $150 worth of products in it. They had a $150 bag, which guarantees $300 worth of products in there. Then they had a buy one, give one, which was buy one for $150 and then give one. And then they had a Jeffree Star a lucky bag as well. I did not get a chance to get the $150 one. That one goes like this, but I was able to snag the $75 one. So without further ado, let's get started and unbox. I have it right here. I haven't opened it yet, so let's do this together. Okay, the first thing that I open says coming soon. Ugh. Coming soon to Beautylish. Now I did watch some unboxing videos already, and I did see that everybody's getting this, and this is from Good Molecules. It's supposed to be an affordable skincare line, which I heard is supposed to be very good by somebody who works with Beautylish. And what I got is the Super Peptide Serum, which is formulated with tripeptides to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. I don't have fine lines or wrinkles, but I do from time to time get some dullness. So I'm excited to get that. Here it is. By the way, everything that I will open up, I will put a price down here, and then we'll total it at the very end. This, unfortunately, there will be no price for it because, like I said, it's coming soon, so there are no prices for this. So this will be like a plus item. So excited that I got this. Okay. Ooh, the next thing that I got is the Becca Glow on the Go set. It comes with 2 travel size in a liquid and a pressed form in the color Moonstone, which is great because I don't own this. I do own a lot of Becca highlighters and I love them, but I do not own this color. Look at how pretty it is. Wow, that's pretty. And I'm excited that I got this in liquid form because I could just put this underneath or mix it in with my foundation. Super excited that I got that. Okay, the next thing in the box is the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow Set, and this is the iridescent one. Let's see if I own any of these colors. I got Dollish, Stylish, and Embellish. I'm excited that I got these because, again, I don't own any of these. And I'm also excited that it came in mini form because I noticed that the full-size ones, they tend to dry out because I don't use it as fast as I'd like. So the fact that I got them in a mini form is great. These colors are beautiful. Let me swatch. Okay. So here are the colors. The first one is Dollish, Embellish, and Stylish. The first one has some color to it. The other ones are more like top coats for the eyes, which I love some sheer ones just to give it like a little bit of oomph. So I could have used it today. Sorry, those are my kids. So I could have used it today. But moving on, let's go next. Okay, so the next thing in my box is Ardell Double Up Lashes in 202. For those of you that know that I love lashes, so these will come in handy. These do have a thin band. I'm gonna have to try these out and see how I like. I've never tried the 202, so that'll work. Okay. The next thing is from the company Surratt. Hold on. Surratt. I think I'm hoping I'm saying this correctly. And the color Peccadile? I don't know. Let's see. Ooh, look at this color. How pretty is that? It's like a purplish color. I will definitely use that. It's more on the hydrating side, so I will have to use a primer so that it doesn't bleed. Because those kind of colors I usually like wearing in a matte form. So I'll let you guys know how I like this. But I've never heard of this brand, so I'm excited that I got that. Okay, you guys, Beautylish sells Wayne Goss brushes, and those are very, very like luxury high-end brushes that I've wanted to try, but the prices are like very expensive. So I've never purchased one, and I got one of this Beautylish Lucky Bag. I'm so excited. This is Wayne Goss number 14. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is super nice. The reason why they're so expensive is because they're handcrafted, individually handcrafted, and they do use the highest premium goat and squirrel hairs for your brushes. So yeah, definitely excited about this. I think this alone is making this lucky bag lucky for me. So, oh my god, my first Wayne Goss brush, you guys, I'm so excited. Okay, and this is my last thing. It's a Natasha Denona palette. So, let me give you a little bit of a tidbit. I always wanted to try the Natasha Denona palettes, and I know that Sephora sells like the $25 mini palettes, but I hear nothing but bad things about those particular ones because they're saying the formula is not the same as their $49, I think, palettes and up, which I can't justify spending $49 on a 5-pan palette, but I got one. So this is the Camel palette, and this is, I think it's $48 or $49. This beauty looks like this. Super pretty. I'm excited that these are the colors that I got in this palette because I will get to test the formula and see if it's worth the money. And these are like everyday colors, so it's not just like one time I'll use and I'll let you know. So super excited. I think, oh my god, I'm blown with this box. The thing that I'm most excited about in this box have to be like these 3 things and that Good Molecules peptide serum. Everything else I really like. I will definitely use everything, but I think even these 2 alone made this box worth it. I will leave the total price of my box down here. So until next year, I will definitely have to pick another one of these up. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but I used to get the Sephora Play box, and for a person like me who has a lot of makeup, I was finding the Sephora Play box had a lot of repeats of stuff that I tried, so I canceled that and I thought I'd save $120 for the year and just invest in something nice like this. So getting this $75 box was definitely worth it because I definitely got more than $150 worth of products here. And it's stuff that I've never tried or stuff that I've always wanted to try, but I couldn't bite the bullet to buy it myself. So that's it. But until next time, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.